Hey everybody, welcome to another video and good afternoon from Cathlamet, Washington. And behind me is the Columbia River, which is a large river here in the US. It separates the states of Oregon, where I'm from, and Washington, where I am now and where I live. And it's currently salmon fishing season, so there's a lot of boats out here on the river salmon fishing. But I'm here with my family. We're also here camping, so I was going to show you guys around, so I hope you guys enjoy. Fishing boats out here today. This river actually leads to the Pacific Ocean, which is about 50 miles that way. And further up the river, of course, it's fresh water, but down here it's kind of a tidal area, so it's a mix of salt water and fresh water. Pretty big ship over there, some kind of cargo ship going on the other side of that island. This is actually an island in the middle of the river right here. It's probably heading up to Portland, I'm assuming. These right here must have been old docks or something from some kind of business in the past, who knows. This was underwater last night because the tide was in, so you couldn't even walk right here. And that boat right there, that old sunken boat, was completely underwater and you couldn't even see it. It looks like an old metal boat. Barges and tugboats. Totem, 1933. So that's it everybody for my camping video on the Columbia River during fishing season. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you next time.